Hi, we are talking about EDI in manufacturing and the benefits of API for EDI for manufacturers. Manufacturers are constantly involved in sourcing raw materials and arranging delivery to the market. It requires rapid and effective communication with trading partners, which manufacturers accomplish using EDI or electronic data interchange. What roles does EDI play in a manufacturing workflow? Let's take a look. First, it is used for sending forecasting reports. Forecasting reports help you maintain optimal inventory levels of raw materials at the manufacturing unit. EDI is also used for organizing date ranges, which basically helps in syncing operations with trading partners. EDI also helps in managing carriers, which can be automated to find carriers on time and at reasonable prices. And finally, EDI is used for finalizing orders. It can be integrated with an ERP system where it becomes easy to handle orders. Modern technologies like API are now available with EDI platforms. Let's look at some of the benefits of API based EDI in manufacturing. Benefit 1 is real time validations. You can automatically reject non compliant EDIs and also get an instant error alert so you can always send accurate data to your trading partner. The second benefit is customized EDI systems, which means your EDI architecture becomes flexible for automation and integration with any other system that uses API. Benefit 3 is that API is also developer friendly. It is simpler to understand as compared to EDI and is the modern way of integrations. And finally, you can save a lot with APIs. It requires less maintenance, and since it is cloud storage, you don't require on premise arrangements. Visit our insights to learn more about EDI in manufacturing. Um, we'll be happy to hear your concerns about EDI and plan your next steps. Simply schedule a demo and join us on a call. Happy integrations.